因为，所以，因为，所以。We use these two conjunctions to form cause-effect sentence. After 因为, it is the reason. After 所以, it's the result. 因为这个牌子很有名，衣服也很好看，所以很多人喜欢。After 因为这个牌子很有名，衣服也很好看。It's the reason, the cause. 很多人喜欢。It's the result. 因为所以 this pattern is used to tell reason and result. They use together. When we speak or when we listen to this pattern, we all know in front of 所以 it is the reason. After 所以 it's the result. So all we know, this is the reason. We can omit 因为. In this pattern, we can omit 因为, but we can't omit 所以. We must keep 所以. In this sentence, we can say 因为这个牌子很有名，衣服也很好看，所以很多人喜欢。We can also say 这个牌子很有名，衣服也很好看，所以很多人喜欢。We can omit 因为。If you speak the result in front of the reason, you can say 很多人喜欢，因为这个牌子很有名，衣服也很好看。If you move the result in front of the reason, you must delete 所以 you can't use 所以 you cannot keep 所以 but you must keep 因为 you can say 很多人喜欢因为这个牌子很有名，衣服也很好看。So there are 3 ways to speak this pattern. One is keep both 因为 and 所以. Another way, you can omit 因为. You can just say 这个牌子很有名，衣服也很好看，所以很多人喜欢。The third way is position result in front of 因为 and delete 所以。很多人喜欢，因为这个牌子很有名，衣服 也很好看。你为什么不想走路到学校去？你为什么不想走路到学校去？因为学校很远，所以我不想走路到学校去。因为学校很远，所以我不想走路到学校去。You can also say 学校很远，所以我不想走路到学校去。Or you can say 我不想走路到学校去，因为学校很远。Here, please remember 因为 and 所以 they are conjunction. They are conjunction. And we use conjunction to combine two clauses. So we usually conjunction and then subject and then verb. So here, 因为学校很远，所以我不想走路到学校去。为什么你的朋友不跟你来？为什么你的朋友不跟你来？为什么 ？Ask why. Answer the reason. After 因为 it's the reason. 因为他很累，所以他要在家休息。因为他很累，所以他要在家休息。你为什么今天一定要去百货公司？你为什么今天一定要去百货公司？Ask why. Answer the reason. 因为明天是我弟弟的生日，所以我要去买他的生日礼物。In this answer, 你今天一定要去百货公司的 reason and this 明天是我弟弟的生日，我要去买他的生日礼物。This whole sentence to answer this question. And in this completed reason, there is a small reason and small result. Because this is the reason for this result. You can say this way. 因为明天是我弟弟的生日，我要去买他的生日礼物，所以我今天一定要去百货公司。You can use these two ways to answer this question. See you. Bye.